question number 10. Find the maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval 1 comma 3. Find the maximum value of the same function in another interval minus 3 comma minus 1. Exercise 6.5. Question number 10. We are given f of x equal to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval. First subdivision, x belongs to the interval 1 comma 3. So substituting and differentiating f of x, we have f dash of x equal to 6x square minus 24. For maximum or minimum, put f dash of x equal to 0. So 6 into x square minus 4 equal to 0, or x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. But we are given the interval 1 comma 3 only. So minus 2, x not equal to minus 2, therefore x equal to 2, which belongs to the interval 1 comma 3. Now we need to find the values of f of 1, f of 3 as well as f of 2. Now f of 1 equal to, so f of 1 substituting 2 minus 24 plus 107, 2 minus 24 plus 107 equal to 85, and f of 3 another interval equal to 3 cube 27 54 minus 372 plus 107 equal to 89, f of 3 equal to 89, and f of 2 the critical number f of 2 equal to 2 cube 8 2s are 16 minus 48 plus 107 equal to 75. We are asked to find the maximum value. Therefore, the maximum value of f of x equal to 89. It occurs at 3, at x equal to 3. Now similarly you can do the another part, that is the same function for the different interval minus 3 comma minus 1 we are given. So it is easy for you to find the maximum value occurring at these values. So I give you as a homework of the second part. Now next, the question number is 11. It is given that at x equal to 1 the function x power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 0 comma 2. Find the value of a. We are given f of x equal to x power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9, where x belongs to the interval 0 comma 2. We need to find the value of a when it is maximum. Now differentiating f dash of x equal to 4x cube minus 124x plus a, but it attains the maximum at x equal to 1. We are given, it is given that f of x attains maximum at x equal to 1. So f dash of 1 equal to 0. So maximum at means at that part we are differentiating it equating 0, we will find the value whose x value is 1. So f dash of 1 equal to 0, which gives 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0, which gives a equal to 120. A equal to 120. Now we have to find the values. First, f of 0. F of 0 equal to clearly 0, 0, 0 equal to 9. F of 0 equal to 9. Now f of 1. F of 1 equal to 1 minus 62 plus 120 plus 9 equal to f of 1 equal to 68. Now f of 2 equal to 2 power 4 16 minus 62 into 2 square 4 plus a equal to 120, x equal to 240 plus 9, which is equal to f of 2 equal to 17. So among all these values, we have the maximum value of f of 1 is 68, which occurs at 1. So the maximum value is 68 at x equal to 1 when a equal to 120. Now I am going to solve some of the example problems, so which may be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now let me start with the example 35. Find the shortest distance of the point 0, c from the parabola y equal to x square. Now y equal to x square is a parabola open upward. So this is y equal to x square. So the diagram is not necessary. In order to understand the concept, I am drawing this diagram. Now y equal to x square. Now we need to find the point on the parabola which requires distance of the point 0, c. So clearly 0, c, let this point be of 0, c. So which lies on the y axis. Now we need to find the point q such that the distance between these 2 points is minimum. So there are numerous points on the parabola, but the point which one gives the shortest distance between the given point is we want to find that point. So let us take the coordinates of the point q is h, k. Let the coordinates q be h, k. Now the distance, let d be the distance. So the distance is given by root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Accordingly, h minus 0 the whole square, it is h minus 0 the whole square means h square, and k minus c the whole square. So this is one. Now we have the point h, k lies on the parabola. So at that point we need to substitute in the given equation. So h, k is a point on the parabola y equal to x square. So at that point we have, instead of y, k, and instead of x square, x put h. So k equal to h square. Now substituting this in this first equation, take this as first equation. Now d equal to root of, instead of h square put k, and plus k minus c the whole square. Since the point is 0, c is given point, therefore it is constant, and the variable is here k, because we can take any point on this parabola, therefore k is a only variable. Therefore, D is a function in K. D is a function of K. K. Therefore, D dash of K, differentiating K with respect to differentiating D with respect to K is root of something, means 1 by 2 into root of something, that is 2 root of K plus K minus C the whole square. Now differentiating the part, K equal to 1 plus 2 into K minus C, and differentiating this 1 minus 0. So this is 1. For maximum or minimum, put D dash of K equal to 0, which gives 1 plus 2K minus 2C equal to 0, or 2K equal to 2C minus 1 and K equal to 2C minus 1 divided by 2. So we have converted K in terms of 2C minus 1. When D dash of K equal to 0, we have D dash of, that is 2K minus K equal to 2C minus 1 by 2. Now when D dash of K is less than 0, we have K is less than 2C minus 1 by 2, and if D dash of K is greater than 0, here K is greater than 2C minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the minimum, clearly the minimum value occurs at D dash of K equal to 2C minus 1 by 2. Now we need to find the distance, that is we have D equal to root of K plus K minus C the whole square. Now substituting the value, D equal to root of K equal to 2C minus 1 by 2 plus 2C minus 1 by 2 minus C the whole square, that is equal to root of 2C minus 1 by 2 plus, taking LCM, 2C minus 1 minus 2C by 2 the whole square. So 2C cancel. Now root of 2C minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, taking again LCM. Now 4C minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 equal to root of 4C minus 1 divided by 4, or the distance equal to root of 4C minus 1 divided by 2. Now example 36. Let AP and BQ be two vertical poles. So taking this ground AP and BQ, AP and BQ be two vertical poles at points A and B respectively. If AP equal to 16 meter, this is 16 meter, and BQ equal to 22 meter, and AB equal to 20 meters, AB equal to 20 meters. AB. Then find the distance of a point R on AB. We need to find the distance of R. So we can take anywhere that point R, but under the given condition. Find the distance of point R on AB from point A such that RP square plus RQ square is minimum. So let us take a point R here. here AP, this is BQ. So RP square plus RQ square is minimum. Okay. Now let us consider the distance ARB x meter. So RB equal to 20 minus x meters. 20 minus x meters. From the triangle, clearly these two are right angle triangle. So RP square equal to RA square plus AP square. RA square plus AP square, that is equal to x square plus 16 square, x square plus 16 square, and RQ square equal to RB square plus BQ square, RB square plus BQ square, that is 20 minus x the whole square plus 22 square. Now adding RP square plus RQ square equal to x square plus 20 minus x the whole square plus 16 square plus 22 square. So we have to show that RP square plus RQ square equal to minimum. So we need to differentiate. But before the differentiation, let us assume a single variable for this. Let S, sum of the distances, S equal to RP square plus RQ square. So we can express S equal to x square plus 20 minus x the whole square plus 16 square plus 22 square. Now differentiating S, we have ds by dx, because S is a function in x, so we are differentiating S with respect to x. ds by dx equal to 2x plus 2 into 20 minus x into minus 1 plus 0 0. Now ds by dx equal to 2x minus 2 into 20 minus x for maximum or minimum. We have to put ds by dx equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 into 20 minus x equal to 0. Taking 2 as common, this is x minus 20 minus into minus plus x equal to 0, or 2x minus 20 equal to 0. So x equal to 10. Now differentiate again. We have d square s by dx square equal to, that is here ds by dx. So differentiating again, this is 2 and again minus 2 into, that is minus 2 is multiplying constant, differentiating this is minus 1. So which is equal to 4, which is a positive quantity greater than 4. Therefore the x value of x, that is x is, therefore x is minimum. X is minimum means the distance of R from A is minimum. The distance of R from A is minimum. Hence the function is minimum, that is RP square plus RQ square is minimum. Hence the function RP square plus RQ square is minimum. Now when x equal to 10 meter. 37. If length of 3 sides of a trapezium other than the base are equal to 10 centimeter, then find the area of the trapezium when it is maximum. Now consider a trapezium ABCD. CD. Now we are given the three sides other than the base are 10 centimeter each. Draw perpendiculars from D and C. Let it be DP and this is CQ. In trapezium ABCD, draw perpendiculars TP and CQ. Now the triangle APD similar to triangle BQC. APD similar to BQC. Therefore, we have studied this concept in 10th standard. There are so many similarities. One is AAA, another one is SSS, another one is RHS. So, right angle, hypotenuse and side RHS. So, by this similarity, the triangles APD and BQC are similar. Now, by similarity, let AP equal to x centimeter. So, by similarity, AP equal to BQ equal to x centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have DP equal to CQ equal to DP equal to CQ equal to root of 10 square minus x square. These two consider as x. So, 10 square minus x square, that is equal to 100 minus x square. We know that the area of the parallelogram, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into A plus B into H, where A and B are parallel sides. So, A equal to half into the sum of the parallel sides are 10 plus 10 x plus x, that is 10 plus 10 plus 2x, 10 plus 2x into altitude. Altitude is root of 100 minus x square, 100 minus x square. So, this is half into 20 plus 2x, that is 2 into 10 plus x, 2 into 10 plus x into root of 100 minus x square. So, this therefore, A equal to 10 plus x into root of 100 minus x square. A is a function in x. So, we are differentiating A with respect to x, that is dA by dx equal to, this is product of two functions, one is u, another one is v. First u 10 plus x, differentiating v, this is 1 by 2 into root of 100 minus x square, and differentiating this 100 minus x square, this is 2x. So, 2 this is minus. So, 2 we can cancel, plus root of v into u dash, first u into v dash, u into v dash means 1 by 2 into root of 100 minus x square, again differentiating this, it is minus 2x, and plus v into u dash, root of 100 minus x square into 1 into 1. Now, simplifying this, which is equal to minus x into 10 plus x divided by minus x into 10 plus x divided by root of 100 minus x square plus root of 100 minus x square. For maximum or minimum, we have to put dA by dx equal. So, minus x into 10 plus x divided by root of 100 minus x square plus root of 100 minus x square equal to 0. Now taking LCM, minus 10x minus x square plus of root into root cancel 100 minus x square divided by root of 100 minus x square equal to 0, or minus 2x square minus 10x plus 100 equal to 0 divided by minus 2. So x square plus 5x minus 10 minus 50 equal to 0. So by simplifying, it is x plus 10 into x minus 5, x plus 10 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 5. X is not minus 10, x cannot be negative. Therefore x equal to 5 centimeter only. After simplification, we have dA by dx equal to minus 2x square minus 10x plus 100 divided by root of 100 minus x square. For minimum, we have found x equal to 5, and differentiating again we have d square a by dx square equal to, this is in the form of u by v. So u by v the whole dash equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So v square is 100 minus x square, and v into u dash, v equal to 100 minus x square into u dash means minus 4x minus 10 minus u into v dash minus of minus 2x square minus 10x plus 100 into v dash means 1 by 2 into root of 100 minus x square into minus 2x. So by simplifying this, we have a double dash equal to 2x cube minus 300x minus 1000 divided by 100 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 square when x equal to 5 is. So substituting the values, we have minus 30 by root 75 is a negative quantity. Therefore the area is maximum. When x equal to 5 centimeter. We need to find the area. So area equal to half into a plus b into h. So we already find the formula. Substituting the values, instead of x 5 centimeter, you will getting that area equal to 75 root 3 centimeter square. Now example 38. Prove that the radius of right circular cylinder of the greatest curved surface area which can be inscribed in a given cone. So cone is fixed, the dimensions of cone are fixed, is half that of the cone. So the radius of the right circular cylinder is radius of half that of cone. Now I have drawn the diagram as per given in the book. So the vertices A, B, C, this A, B, C be the right circular cone, and in which the inscribed cylinder is P, Q, E, D. Now let OA equal to H, height of the cone. Let OA equal to height of the cone H, and OC be the radius of cone, and OC equal to R, radius of the cone. Consider these two triangles AOC and QEC. AOC triangle AOC and triangle QEC. QEC. These two are similar because the angle here and C is common. So, by AA similarity these two are similar to each other. So, accordingly AO by QE equal to these two are similar triangles. Therefore, AO by QE equal to OC by EC. OC by EC. AO equal to H and QE we have to find. So, OC is nothing but R and EC is OC minus OE. Now, let us take OE equal to x units, x centimeter. So, OE equal to x. Therefore, EC equal to OC minus OE. OC means R minus OE means x. Now, by cross multiplication, H into R minus x equal to R into QE. So, QE equal to H into R minus x divided by R. So, this is a QE is nothing but the height of the cylinder. Now, the given surface area, let us see the surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi RH. Here R means the radius of the cylinder, that is OE into height of the cylinder QE. So, the formula is the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 pi into OE means x into QE means we have already find, that is x into H into R minus x divided by R. Here x only the function. So, and HR are already given. These are all the dimensions of cone. So, they are fixed. So, R, H, R taken as constant. The only variable is x. So, we have to take as 2 pi, take the H and bring the R there. So, 2 pi H divided by R into Rx minus x square. Here the height of the cylinder, cone as well as radius of the cone are fixed. Only the x is varying. So, s is a function in x. So, we have to differentiate s with respect to x. Differentiating, we have ds by dx. The constant is 2 pi h by r, 2 pi h by r, and the differentiating the function. So, this is r minus 2x. For maximum or minimum, put the first derivative is 0. So, ds by dx equal to 0, which gives this part. These are all constants. So, r minus 2x only 0. So, x equal to r by 2. X equal to r by 2. Now, differentiating again. D square s by dx square equal to 2 pi h by r into differentiating, the r is a constant 0, minus 2x is minus 2, which is equal to minus 4 pi h by r, which is a negative quantity. Therefore, surface area S is maximum when x equal to r by 2.